What are you eating? So I'm eating, I ordered sushi. What I have these things called a shaggy dog roll, which I think I've had before, but I don't remember what they taste like. I think I just remember that they're like decent. And then I have chicken tempura rolls. I don't have chopsticks, so I'm just gonna be eating it with a fork. So don't judge me. But while we do this, we're gonna look through Reddit clips because I haven't looked through the Reddit in like a hot second. So I figured like we could kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I could eat and we could look at the Reddit. Like so if you guys haven't checked out the Reddit, be sure to head on over to r/CaseyKing. That is my name, where we post a lot of cool Valorant clips. We talk about Valorant related things. And yeah, we do this. So also, if you guys are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel down below. Check us out on Twitch and do all the cool things. I freaking love you. Spicy dragon roll. I don't like spicy all that much. So I don't know if spicy is my move, but that's okay. Man, I'm so excited for this. Hold on. We're gonna eat one of the basic ones first. This is our chicken tempura roll, which is pretty basic. You can get this pretty much anywhere. I'm kind of dismantling it as I like go for it. I like this fake lettuce or whatever. I think that they're using to separate this. It's like fake. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Almost died. Sorry. Okay, let's watch this clip. As I'm eating my sushi, dying. Oh my god, everyone's just yelling. What is going on? Oh, he's getting knifed. Okay. Oh wait, they can't get him. He's knife proof. Look at this. It just ends right there before they even kill him. What a cliffhanger. What if you like 1v5s them right there? We just miss it. We just didn't even see it happen. They also include ginger too. Yeah, I don't know. I never eat those with it. I don't know if I'm supposed to or not, but it's like too much for me. Okay, let's try our shaggy dog roll this time. This is what this one looks like. I think it has shrimp in it. I don't know if I can like hold on. It looks like that, which looks kind of gross, admittedly, on camera. I'm gonna be honest, but that's okay. I would try it. This is a little spicy. Ooh, a lot of spicy. Never had sushi? You're missing out. That's pretty good. It's the sauce that makes it. It looked bomb. It was pretty good. That was pretty good. I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. I'll give the stage play like a 10 out of 10 though. Quality. I like the respecting the teammates. Your enemies, right? Okay, we got this round right here. I think it's muted, but looking for a solid Sage op play. We respect the op play because it comes from a community member, but anybody who ops me in a game, I don't really get very happy with them. Go for it. What's more? That's it's always the worst when you're the one who dies and then you get rezzed right in the freaking angle where you're gonna get killed again. It's like, I got you. Don't worry about it, homie. Rezzes him literally right where you just got killed by an operator. I think that's one of those situations where it's like an unstoppable force meets an immovable object. If a community member ops me, I'm just in like a constant state of mauled and appreciation, you know? I just like, I'm appreciating it that it was a community member, but I'm also maulding because I hate the operator, you know? They're just all running out into him, dude. This is why I gotta get good with the operator. There's just everyone plays like this. They all just like they wide swing out into an op angle for no reason. They know the operator's there. They just really feel like peeking it, you know? They just have some sort of an urge to go run out in the middle of an op angle and die. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. But good play from our boy. Was that YW? It was Y third. I think that's YW though. I think it's eel sauce. I think that's what it is. Let's try another one of these. Maybe it hits harder the second time. Hold on. Definitely hit harder the second time. That was pretty good. Oh, this is you. King of Knives back at it again, this time with Breach. I'm going to make my prediction. I bet he jumps on top of the generator and knifes somebody. That's my call. He didn't jump on top of the generator. I was wrong. He is fighting an operator, though. Breach is like the knife king because he can just constantly throw flashes at people and then hit them with that. Oh my god. A bit of a struggle, but he did come out on top there. It's fun running an operators too, because like, you know, after they miss their shot, they're in trouble. It's so hard as an operator when you're getting rushed by a knifer and you have to like pull out your pistol or something. Like, you gotta do something, man. That is rough. Breach has so many flashes too. It is very frustrating when you are the last player alive and Breach has all of his utility left. There's only 2 players here. He just throws 3 flashes at 2 dudes. Jumps out there. There's the second flash if she's holding the angle, which she probably was. And then the third flash. You know, it's like, she's just trying to survive, man. She's trying to live. Feels bad, man. Good play, though. Good play. No scope headshot doesn't happen in this game. No scopes are, like, impossible, dude. Like, once a week. It'll make your entire week. You're like, yeah, remember the time I did that thing? I was pretty good at this game. I was pretty good at Valorant that one time I clutched out that one before. That's pretty cool. You know? I think that's what's fucking dope about this game. You can do something cool that just gets your blood pumping. And like, there's no other game that really feels like that to me. Even when I was, I guess Counter-Strike would be the other one. I remember when I played Counter-Strike, that's what I liked the most about it. There's no other game that gets you the same like rush of landing a good clutch and just feeling good. That's what's dope about Valorant and Counter-Strike, I will say. Okay. Again. Flicking on heaven. The vertical flicks are a lot harder than horizontal ones too, because like horizontally you flick all the time, but like vertically you very rarely will do flicks like that. So it does feel uncomfortable when you do land something like that. It does feel cool though. Ability icons are flipped, literally unplayable. Wait, they are weird. No way. Why are they flipped? How's that a thing? I never noticed this. I play a lot of Yoru too. This one's hard to see. This one looks about the same, more or less. No, it's flipped too. That one's flipped too. Interesting. Riot needs to fix their game. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable. That's funny. Balanced OM gameplay. 1963 colorized. Solid meme quality.
Yeah, Omen's a really balanced champion. Yeah,
So in the defense of Omen, they're joking that Omen's balanced because that spot seems kind of busted. You could have heard him TP up there. You can hear it. It's just something they heard and they chose to ignore. It is an aggressive position. Don't get me wrong. But they could have heard it. They could have. If they just listen, they're going to hear it. They're going to hear that Omen TP, they check it, and then they clear it out, you know? They don't hear it in your bronze games, true. They definitely do not hear it in the bronze games. And for that, I will upvote it. Vote it. Dumbest knives kill. Oh no, every time I get it revealed by a recon, I literally cringe, dude. What? Wait, what? Did you see somebody? Did he just fire? Oh no. Did he see somebody there, or did he just fire? He literally just blind fired into the smoke. That's so obnoxious. Oh, that would drive me nuts, honestly. Look at the jet body. Let's see it. Oh, it's moving. It's like they tied a rope to her and they're like pulling her out of the way. Just gliding. There's such weird bugs in this game sometimes. You just don't know why. Hey, yo, Jet, where are you going? Where are you going, baby? Baby, come back here. I wonder if it makes it more difficult to res. Like if the body floats away. What if the Sage had res? What if she wanted to come over here and res the Sage? Or the Jet. And the Jet's like moving all the way over there. That'd be kind of obnoxious, right? She's going to revive someone. You think, oh, that makes sense. Jet, revive me. On my way. You know, like one of my best 4Ks I've ever gotten. Skip to 46. First part is just my team entering a site. Better be a good one. Throws out the blind. Nice. Good dismiss. What? Hello? They must have all been 1 HP or something, dude. He tagged them all on the feet and they all died. That's crazy though. Oh my god, he just sprayed them all down. One quick. That is a feels good man right there. Okay, nice. He ate them toes. He did eat some toes there. The toe sucker would have loved that play. But the key binding left click to random dismiss for an instant dismiss. Is that a thing? I guess that makes sense, but what if you want to heal? Yeah, what if you want to heal? That feels like it might be bad, you know? It's like if you keybound it to left click. It'd be really good in those clutch situations, but it'd be really bad for when you actually want to heal. It's for oppers instead of jet dash. Oh, that makes sense, I guess. Alternatively, you could just press E. I think that was my last one. I could scroll through these all day. We all know how it goes, but if you guys wanted to be featured in this video or in the Reddit recaps, feel free to go to Reddit r/CaseyKing and post on it. We do these pretty much every week. We do them about once a week, once or twice if the Reddit starts popping off. But you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel down below. Check us out on Twitch where we have all these lovely people, and I'll see you in the next one.